Finally got some good weather. Should be about 67 degrees up here today, boys. Well, what we're doing here is, after all this rain, we got a mud hole. We had some leftover dirt, so what we're going to do is spread it out so we don't have to haul it off. Over here is where all this rain was collected. We got a big old mud pit. So, yeah, we're gonna get rid of our dirt here. We don't have to pull any trucks in to haul it off. Just a little bit more to go. We should be all set here. Just having a little playtime out here in the Channel Islands.